Hi everyone, I wanted to pull out my miniature Apex Salesman vacuum today. It's a pretty interesting little machine. I got this off eBay a few years ago. When it came, the whole front was shattered. The whole chunk was missing, the brush hole had fallen out. There wasn't really any package material in the box, so unfortunately it was just moving around in shipping and it got broken. But I was able to JB weld it back together. The casting, it's like the piece warped, so I wasn't able to really straighten it out fully. So there is still a little edge there that's sitting up, but at least the vacuum's back together. You can see this one, it doesn't have a powered brush roll. There is a brush roll in there, but it's just free spinning. There's a couple of wheels here. The fan case, there isn't any like sealant, so if you used it to pick up actual dust, it would probably blow out. Something I probably could seal up though, but I'm really not going to use this for actual cleaning. It's more just a display piece, so probably not really necessary. But um, it's got a wood handle. Um, it's pretty neat though. I mean, it looks like a full size version. It's just a smaller thing. But we'll go ahead and plug it in and let you hear how the motor sounds. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting little vacuum. It's not something I've seen very often. I've seen a couple of collectors that have them, but it doesn't seem to be a very common thing to find nowadays. Let's see. Let's get a close up of the model information plate. The Apex Electrical. Yeah, pretty interesting. I have some other old vacuums I'm going to pull out and do some videos on. So if you want to see more vacuum content, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.